Cheers. One of the most annoying things about the morning after a party is dealing with all the leftovers. You probably don't want to eat chips and cold queso for breakfast, but we can actually repurpose this along with a little leftover charcuterie to make a salty, tasty Spanish omelet to soak up all that extra ethanol. First, I just need to find some coffee. This isn't technically a Spanish omelet because Spanish omelets call for potatoes and we're using tortilla chips, but I think we can fudge it a little. We have chips here, and tortilla chips and eggs are really good together. So you'll just need to gather up your leftovers, about 2 handfuls of tortilla chips, a 1/4 cup of leftover queso, and enough charcuterie to coat the bottom of your pan will be plenty. Other than that, you'll just need 4 eggs and some olive oil. So obviously the first thing we need to do is crack a few eggs. And eggs are actually exactly what you need right now. Oh, there's a double yolk. That's nice, that's good luck. Eggs are really high in B vitamins. They got a lot of protein. They're perfect for your little hungover body. And then we just need a 1/4 cup of queso, and you do not need to worry about this being level. Like, we can be real sloppy here. And then we're just gonna blend. I like to use an immersion blender. You can technically use a whisk, but the immersion blender is gonna get a lot more air into the mixture, so you're gonna get a fluffier omelet. So now that our eggs are all blended and a little frothy, we're gonna combine our chips and our egg mixture. And then you're just gonna give everything a little toss. Get the chips nice and coated. Get everyone nice and acquainted. You can break up some of the bigger chips if you want, kind of help things level out. Perfect. So the first thing you want to do is heat your skillet over medium-high heat, and then just add enough leftover charcuterie to kind of coat the bottom of your nonstick pan. Salami's good here, but you could use a hot sopressata or a prosciutto, and you just want to let that render out and get crispy. So I've added enough oil to coat the bottom of the pan, and you just want that to heat until the oil's shimmering. All right, then you're gonna scrape your egg and tortilla chip mixture on top of there, and then you just kind of want to stir it around and lightly scramble it for about 10 seconds. So once the omelet is set on the sides and pretty much firm in the middle, you just want to put a plate on top and then carefully invert it, because you're just going to slide it right back into the pan and then let it continue cooking until it's completely firm. So now that we have our meaty, cheesy Spanish omelet plated, all we need to do is top with a little leftover sour cream, top with some chives if you have that lying around, and then take a big ol' bite. That really hits the spot, but I need something to wash it down with. I think we should lift our spirits with even more spirits. The best mimosas are made with fresh squeezed juice, but a lot of people don't have a juicer, and cleaning a juicer is definitely not something I want to do when I'm hungover. However, if you have a stand mixer, you can use the paddle attachment to completely obliterate some citrus in a matter of minutes. All you need is about 6 to 8 citrus fruits, depending on how big they are. I've got a mixture of some grapefruit and some oranges. You just want to cut them into 1/4s or 8s. Make sure you get 1 cut horizontal and another cut vertical to expose all the nice flesh inside. And then just chuck it in the bowl all willy-nilly. Then you lower down the paddle attachment. And you want to make sure to lock it. And then we're just gonna cover the top with saran wrap so juice doesn't fly everywhere. Honestly, this is the trickiest part because saran wrap is notoriously combative. And then you just switch it to stir to begin. And let the mixer do its thing. Now that we've completely obliterated this citrus fruit, we just need to strain it, dump it all in a big old bowl with a colander. Now, you may have to use a wooden spoon or some sort of mallet just to kind of get those last bits out. You will find that you have juice. And then just top with whatever bubbly you have left over from the night before. Got my drink, got my omelet. I'm gonna enjoy this and leave the dishes for later. Hi, it's Claire. If you're also a little bit of a trash panda and would like to see more delicious content like this, be sure to like and subscribe somewhere around here. Thanks for watching.